Welcome, friends, to the Berkshires. This is a special corner of western Massachusetts. Rolling green hills, charming old towns, a world-class art scene. It's a landscape that feels both comfortably American and refreshingly European. People journey here to escape the rush of the city, to breathe fresh air, to fill their days with art, music, simple pleasures. Whether you have a long weekend or just a day, the Berkshires offer a perfect retreat. You can easily get here. It's just a 2 to 3 hour drive from major hubs like Boston, New York City. This guide is your friendly companion, a 10-minute read to plan a perfect, unhurried visit. We're not trying to do everything. We're trying to do the right things. We will explore 10 essential experiences that capture the unique spirit of this region. Think of it as a walk with a good friend, pointing out highlights and sharing little tips along the way. We will cover everything from historic main streets, soaring mountain peaks, iconic museums, the simple joy of a farmer's market. The goal is to connect with the place, not just to see it. The Berkshires are a true four-season destination. Summer, festivals and outdoor concerts. Autumn, fiery reds, brilliant oranges, golden yellows. Spring, a quiet awakening. Winter, cozy solitude by a fire after a brisk walk. Our first stop is the quintessential Berkshire town of Lenox. Walking its main street feels like stepping into a perfectly preserved film set from a bygone era. Historic 19th century brick buildings line the street. Independent shops, art galleries, cozy cafes. It's a town built for strolling, not for rushing. The atmosphere is one of relaxed sophistication. Wander slowly, peering into shop windows, crafts, books, antiques. A friendly shopkeeper chatting with a customer. Barista making coffee. A baker pulling pastries from the oven. The gentle chime of a shop door becomes the town's subtle soundtrack. Begin your Berkshire immersion here. Slow your pace to match the local rhythm. Notice the ornate ironwork and colorful flower boxes, echoes of the Gilded Age. A practical tip: park in the municipal lot just off the main drag and explore on foot. The town is compact and very walkable. Wear comfortable shoes. Explore side streets, lovely inns and quiet lanes with porches and trees. Don't be afraid to wander without a destination. A hidden garden, a unique little gallery. This simple walk is more than sightseeing. It's an orientation. It sets the tone for your entire trip. You sense the region's history, its appreciation for beauty, and its welcoming spirit. Stop for a coffee, feel the warmth of the mug in your hands, and decompress. By being present on this charming street, you prepare to appreciate the other wonders of the Berkshires. It's the first essential step. Now, as day turns to evening, the music of summer begins. If you visit the Berkshires in the summer, a pilgrimage to Tanglewood is an absolute must. This is not just a concert venue. It is a cultural institution and an experience unto itself. As the summer home of the Boston Symphony Orchestra, Tanglewood fills warm evenings with sublime music. The main stage is the Kusavitsky Music Shed, an open-air amphitheater. But for many, the magic is on the sprawling, perfectly manicured lawn. You'll see families, couples, and friends arrive with picnic baskets, from simple spreads to candelabras and fine china. The pre-concert atmosphere is pure anticipation, happy conversations, and the orchestra warming up inside the shed. As the sun sets, a hush falls, and the first notes float out into the evening, a starlit sky. Tip: buy lawn tickets in advance, especially for popular conductors or star soloists. Arrive early for a good spot with clear sightlines and sweet acoustics. Bring a cozy blanket, low-slung chairs, a light jacket or sweater, and a little citronella or bug spray. Feel the cool grass beneath you, the gentle evening breeze on your skin. Far from city lights, the stars feel closer, and you hear a world-class orchestra mingling with the sounds of the night, a perfect marriage of high art and the simple pleasure of being outdoors on a beautiful summer night. It's an unforgettable Berkshire memory. Tomorrow brings more to discover. Just a short scenic drive from Lenox and Stockbridge, you'll find the Norman Rockwell Museum. This isn't a stuffy museum. It's warm, humorous, deeply human. Rockwell captured everyday American life. Triumphs, awkwardness, joy, and sorrow. You'll smile, nod in recognition, maybe even get a lump in your throat. No degree required. The stories and craft speak for themselves, including moving civil rights works. Visit Rockwell's studio. Intact props, books, the easel, a glimpse into the process. Check hours and current exhibitions before you go. Stand before the icons and feel their emotional pull. You'll leave with renewed appreciation for meaningful moments. After art and culture, stretch your legs on Mount Greylock, the highest point in Massachusetts. At 3,491 feet, the views are spectacular, up to 90 miles on a clear day. You can see Massachusetts, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, even Connecticut. Greylock anchors a 12,500-acre reservation with miles of trails, including the Appalachian Trail. Hike or take the scenic Auto Road, typically late May to October, with overlooks along the way. At the summit, climb the Granite War Memorial Tower for a commanding panorama. Be ready for cooler, windier summit conditions. Layers, sturdy footwear, plenty of water, snacks, and check the forecast. Feel the wind, hear the whoosh, see the world like a rumpled green blanket, smell pine and damp earth. Our journey continues to Williamstown, home of the exceptional Clark Art Institute, a world-class collection on a stunning 140-acre campus of hills, meadows, and trails. Highlights include French Impressionists, Monet, Renoir, Degas, and superb American art. Winslow Homer and John Singer Sargent shine among many treasures. Classical marble elegance meets Tadao Ando's serene modernism, framing nature like a living painting. Plan both. Admire art, circle the reflecting pool, then hike Stone Hill for mountain views. Pause at the cafe for a coffee or light lunch with a tranquil view. Check for special exhibitions. Inside, feel cool marble, hear the hush and soft footsteps. Outside, feel the sun and smell freshly cut grass and wildflowers. Here, art and nature restore you in equal measure. Sometimes the best way to experience a place is simply to drive. The Berkshires byways wind through rolling hills, dense forests, and picturesque farmland. U.S. Route 7 connects charming towns from Great Barrington to Williamstown, a road meant for meandering. Pass white-steepled churches, greens, colonial homes, and centuries-old stone walls. In summer, it's lush. In autumn, a blazing tapestry. Stop often to soak in the views. Follow that side road sign. Cheesemaker, craft brewery, antique shop. Buy something fresh. These detours turn a drive into an adventure. Taste the season, smell hay and rain, and watch the day end in color. To truly understand the Berkshires, appreciate its Gilded Age summer retreats. These so-called cottages were magnificent mansions with lavish gardens. The Mount, Edith Wharton's home, reflects her design principles and artistic vision. Elegant, harmonious spaces designed for comfort and conversation. Explore distinct outdoor rooms, Italian walled garden, vibrant flowers, and the serene lime walk. Join a guided tour. Docents add rich context and stories you might miss. Wear comfortable shoes and give yourself time to wander. You can almost hear silk gowns and witty conversations as your hand skims the cool balustrade. Breathe in roses, peonies, lavender, hear fountain water and bees at work. A transportive glimpse into the art, intellect, and lifestyle of the Gilded Age. A trip to the Berkshires would be incomplete without indulging in its thriving culinary scene. Deeply rooted in agriculture, this is farm-to-table country. Visit a weekend farmer's market, vibrant, bustling community hubs, filled with the colors, smells, and tastes of the season. Summer heirloom tomatoes, fall squash and apples, crisp spring greens, more than produce, bread, farmstead cheeses, golden honey, rich maple syrup, handcrafted jams. Build a perfect picnic for Tanglewood or a Greylock summit. Go with an open mind and empty stomach. Graze, sample, chat with passionate producers. Try a cheese you've never heard of, a perfect peach, and ask which loaf just came out. Ask for prep tips, or which cheese pairs best with local cider. See, smell, and taste it all. Herbs and pies, sizzling griddles, tangy goat cheese, sweet corn, crusty bread. Take home the simple, joyful, delicious flavor of the Berkshires. From market to table, every bite tells a local story. Savor it slowly. Now, why the Berkshires beckon. As our brief journey comes to a close, it's clear why the Berkshires hold a special place in visitors' hearts. It's a region of beautiful dualities, both sophisticated and down to earth. Spend an afternoon with a Monet and the next morning on a mountain trail. Listen to a symphony under the stars, then enjoy a slice of pie. A seamless blend of culture and nature, deeply restorative. It nourishes the mind and the spirit. Our 10 experiences are a starting point, a feel for the place. Slow down and appreciate the details. Magic lies in the in-between. Quiet drives, unexpected chats, peaceful lakeside minutes. Adopt the local rhythm. Unplug, breathe, reconnect. A little planning goes a long way. Accommodations and tickets in advance. Check the weather and pack layers. Travel with curiosity and respect. Support locals. Leave no trace. Come discover this special corner of the world. Follow the itinerary or make your own. Leave room for spontaneity. See the art, hear the music, taste the food, feel the peace of rolling green hills. The simple, authentic moments you collect here will stay with you. Happy travels.